Good morning students. Today we will see page number 90, map. Study the map of Maharashtra. This is the map of Maharashtra given below and complete the activity. Based on this map they have given us some activity, means they have given us some questions. We will try to solve it. See, this is the map of Maharashtra. Now, our state has a historical heritage, means our state is known for historical places. Maharashtra has forts near the sea, in the mountains. Where are the forts situated? Forts are situated near the sea, in the mountains and on the plains. Write the names. Now first question, what they have given? Write the names of districts which have forts. Now this is the map. Now how will you know which are the forts situated? Now here they have given us the index. Here is the index and we have to search where is the symbol of fort. See, this is the fort and it is this is the symbol for the fort. Wherever you find this symbol, there is a fort. Now we will see where are these symbols. I will show 2-3 symbols. Rest you can see at home. Now this is the fort. See, here you can see Janjira. This is Raigad. See, here is Sinhagad, Shivneri. See, these are the forts. You can see these symbols. Wherever you find these symbols, there is the fort. Sajjangad, Pratapgad, Jayagad, Vijayadurg, Panhala, Vishalgad. Now rest you can search at home. Next, write the names of districts with hot water springs. Hot water springs. See here, where is the hot? This is the blue color symbol. In this blue color symbol you can see hot water springs. Now where are the hot water springs? See, here you can see Sao, Vasti Road, Bhivandi, means Vasti Road, sorry, Vasti, and here Unhavre. See here Kapeshwar, Unakeshwar. These are the hot water spring area. Now underline the names of the districts which have caves. Now you have to underline the names of the districts which have caves. So you have to search this caves. Say, this is the symbol for caves. Where are the caves? See, here is the symbol of the cave, Kharosa. You have to underline it. Next, where is the Ajanta, Pitalkhora? So wherever you find these types of caves, symbol of caves, you have to underline that area. Find the districts which have ports and circle their names. Now we have to find the districts which have ports. Where are the ports? See, this is the symbol for the port. You have to circle that area. See, here is the first, Malwan, Vengurle. See, here is the symbol for that. Here again you will find Srivardhan. So wherever you Tarapur, wherever you find that symbol, you just have to circle that area. Classify man-made and natural objects with the help of the index. Now here you have to see the index and you have to classify which are the natural and which are the man-made. So district headquarters are man-made. They are not natural. Major places and stations are man-made. Caves are naturally formed. Fort is man-made. Hot water springs are also natural. Air transport center, they are man-made. Port, man-made. National highway, man-made. Railway, they are also man-made. There is a national highway and a railway line between Pune and Kolhapur. In your notebook, write which of these is shorter. Now what we have to do? We have to see the railway line and the highway between Pune and Kolhapur. So here is Pune and here is the Kolhapur. Now which is the highway in this? Say this is the symbol for the highway and this is the symbol for the railway. Now we will see Pune to Kolhapur. So this is the highway and Pune to Kolhapur, this is the railway line. So railway line is going through Pune, Satara, Sangli and Kolhapur, but highway is going Pune, Satara and Kolhapur. So which will be the shorter? Highway will be the shorter. Trace the Gondia Chandrapur railway line and write the names of the places on the line. Now you have to trace Chandrapur to Gondia railway line and you have to see the names of the places on the line. What are the names of the places in this line? Chandrapur to Gondia: Mool, Brahmapuri, Desaiganj, Morgaon, Arjuni Morgaon, Bhandara, Tumsar Road and Gondia. So these are the places from Chandrapur to Gondia. Now you can also practice this map at home. Now see, what's the solution? This you can see. Jacob has to make a map of his locality. He saw the things shown in the box alongside in his locality. Which of these things should be shown in his map? Help him. A house, a flying crow, a police station, cows, a post office, buffaloes, a school, a vehicle, a square, a road, a tower and a farm. Now he want to make a map for his locality. He saw the things shown in the box alongside in his locality. Which of these things should be shown? Now which are the things he should show in the map? He should show his house, a police station, a post office, a school, a vehicle, a road, a tower and a farm. These are the main things which should be shown on the map. What we have learned? Identifying man-made and natural elements on a map. Our environment has both natural and man-made objects. Special symbols are used for making a map. Thank you.